Small businesses are at the heart of their communities. Not only do they provide employment locally, but they also contribute to the wealth, health and well-being of the areas in which they do business. Your business may have influence in several different communities. For example, the local community in which you operate, your customers and suppliers, your employees and their families, and other businesses. You should also consider your role within your town and region, at a national Wales level, maybe at UK level, and also in the world community. Getting involved with your communities can bring a number of benefits. First, it helps to improve your image and reputation, as well as build trust and understanding. It helps improve your profile and may promote networking and new business opportunities. Involving employees in community initiatives can be part of staff training and development and lead to increased employee satisfaction, motivation and productivity. Community initiatives can also help employees to develop new skills, as well as enhance existing ones. You may consider developing products and services that incorporate social benefits that can help improve your profitability. Here are some ways you may consider to get started in this area. Start with your local community and look at where you can make a difference. Consider the diversity of your community and look at groups with particular needs. You could use your employees to channel activity. For example, consider sponsoring a local sports team or cultural event that your employees are already involved with. Be imaginative about how you can help. Here are some ideas. Sponsor an event or a sports team, a school or even a class. Make a charitable donation. You could choose a charity that is particularly meaningful to you or your employees. Donate excess materials to schools and community groups. They're always looking for additional resources. Donate outdated equipment, such as computers or office furniture, to charities and community groups. Allow charities, community groups and other organisations to use your company facilities. For example, photocopier, meeting rooms and so on. Offer your products or services to the community free of charge. Encourage employees to volunteer. You could consider introducing a give-as-you-earn scheme. This enables employees to make donations to any UK charity direct from their gross salary. You can also match your employees' contributions with matched giving. Have a look at the web link in this module for more information.